I am an affiliate marketer and will earn a commission if you purchase through my affiliate link. Best Macy's deals you don't want to miss. Macy's is the go-to destination for fashion, beauty, home essentials, and more. Today, I'm sharing some must-have finds that will upgrade your wardrobe and lifestyle while saving you money. Fashion finds for every style. From luxury brands to everyday essentials, Macy's has it all. Trending items from Michael Kors, Calvin Klein, and Ralph Lauren, beauty and skincare must-have shop top beauty brands like MAC, Estee Lauder, and Dior all in one place. Exclusive discounts on fragrances, skincare, and makeup, home and lifestyle deals. Macy's is your one-stop shop for home essentials, bedding, and kitchenware. Grab deals on premium brands like Ninja, Cuisinart, and Martha Stewart. How to get the best savings? Use Macy's promo codes to save even more. Check out their flash sales and clearance section for incredible markdowns. Is Macy's worth it? If you love quality, style, and savings, Macy's is the place to shop. Which Macy's deal are you grabbing today? Drop a comment below. Shop the best Macy's deals here. Like, follow, and share for more shopping hacks and product reviews.